Hi everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add time in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. Start by opening your Excel worksheet. For example, we have a list of starting and ending time of some workers. So we are going to find out how many hours they are worked for. Select the cells and first click on the right button and go to Format Cell, and from the time choose this option and click OK. Now we have to put a formula. Type an equal sign and write down sum. Now open parenthesis and select the first cell. Then put a minus sign. Now select the second cell and close the parenthesis. Press enter. As you can see, we got the times. So that's how you can add time in Excel. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.